What's your name?
My name is
How are you doing?
my life going so well.
We are you from?
I'm from Spain.
What do you do for a living?
For living, I'm studying in college, in university.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is basketball. Playing basketball, reading, like introvert hobby.
Do you have any sibling?
Yeah, I have 5 brothers and 5 sisters.
What do you like? What is your favorite food?
I think my favorite food, I have a lot because Indonesian food is so delicious.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yeah, correct. I've never.
I want to ask about the city of Medan. What do you think about the city of Medan?
I guess this city is not uncomfortable because this city look like a garden city. You know what I mean? Like in Batman movie. So that's why I don't like this city.
Yes, I agree with your opinion about typical Medan food.
Typical Medan food I like Pika Ambon, like ikan asin, bolu rantik. For example, just like this.
You what about Pika Ambon? Have you ever eaten it?
Yeah, I've ever tried before. Because Pika Ambon so delicious. I think it's better in my mouth.
Do you know this food?
Yeah, I know.
Yes, Pika Ambon is one of the typical foods of the city of Medan. It's sweet and unique aroma are characteristic of this food.
I like the texture and the color. I think it's unique.
Okay, so thank you for your time. Nice to meet you and have meeting you later.
It's okay, you know. I think nice to meet you. Glad to know you.
Thank you. What's your purpose to come to Indonesia and how do you think about it?
My purpose is to be here. I'm studying in college, and my daddy told me before he passed away. So he said you should learn to Indonesian university, and I think about the city not uncomfortable because the city look like Gotham City. You know what I mean? Like from Batman movie. So I think so.
Thank you. After college, what are you doing in your home?
I think in my room I like playing games, and sometimes after college I'm going to library with my friends.
Do you like Asian women in Indonesia?
Of course, I like Asian women because they have pretty face and they have body shape like body goals.
How do you think about their face?
Oh, their face so pretty. They are so unique and so adorable.
In here, do you have crush in your classmate?
Oh, sure thing. I have crush one in here. she's my classmate, and I really like her so much because she's pretty, she's gorgeous, and she's smarter than Emily.
Anyway, you like her?
The reasons I like her, I told you before. She's gorgeous, she's pretty, and she's smarter than me. Oh, sure, my pleasure.
Oke.
Yeah, thanks, I know.
Have you ever been like Toga?
Yeah, I've ever visited Toga. I think Toga has a great place.
How do you think about Toga?
Yeah, Toga has a good nature, like wonderful.
When I come to Toga,
When you come.
when you come Toga,
In the past, from 2011.
nice. Do you like Toga?
Of course, I like Toga.
Yes, I like. Terus why do you